Supervising Others Workshop Synopsis. Best viewed in full screen. Online, on demand, self-paced or instructor-led workshop.
Supervising others can be a tough job, and it has to be done right. Between managing your own time and projects and helping your team members solve problems and complete tasks, your day can fill up before you know it. Your participants will learn time management and other skills to better manage their teams and their own time. This will benefit your company overall by making your daily processes more efficient. The Supervising Others workshop will help supervisors become more efficient and proficient, with information on delegating, managing time, setting goals and expectations for themselves and others, providing feedback, resolving conflict, and administering discipline.
Supervising Others Workshop Course Objectives. Define requirements for particular tasks. Set expectations for your staff. Set SMART goals for yourself. Help your staff set SMART goals. Assign work and delegate appropriately. Provide effective, appropriate feedback to your staff. Manage your time more efficiently. Help your team resolve conflicts. Understand how to manage effectively in particular situations. Understand what a new supervisor needs to do to get started on the right path. You will receive with each course. Student Manual PDF download. Real-life examples and takeaways. Video. Audio. Case studies. Quizzes. Activities. Certificate of completion. Unlimited access and retakes. Completion time is approximately 6 hours.